We're going, yeah.
Alright, so we are going to throw a Gatorade bottle up in the air, see how far it goes. So far, we got in that. It had to be at least 80 feet up in the air. So we're gonna throw it and see what happens.
Alright, Gavin, say hi to the camera.
Hi, dummies.
What's up, peeps?
Alright,
Let's go.
here we go.
Yay! Break! Oh my
Did it
God!
explode?
Let's try again.
Oh shit.
Dead bird.
Dude, that dead bird is like melted there now.
I know, right?
Alright, so all that we got right there was this. That
Just
little
a-
dent.
That little dent. We needed the whole thing to pop.
It's
See,
gonna
we got it to
explode.
explode all over
all
here.
right here and all over there.
Yeah.
Alright,
So we want it to explode again.
here we go.
Oh!
That thing will not just explode, huh?
That is the indestructible force.
Well, now we. What the frick?
Gavin!
Did you get the video?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Yeah, let me see it. Get the lid.
Get the lid.
What the heck?
Did I get that on video?
Yeah.
Oh!
A little bro stronger than a little boy.
Oh.
Missed it!
By that much.
Explode!
There.
Yeah,
There's
that's
one. Okay, go pick up the lid and stuff.
There's still water in it. There's still some in it.
Alright, fine. Here. How are you,
The lid's
Gavin?
wrapped.
I know.
Here. I think I see
Okay,
it.
ready?
Oh
crap.
God! Oh
Oh
God!
crap. Did it hit me? No. Hit right here.
Oh my gosh.
Do it! There's still some in it.
Ready? Here we go. Okay, Gavin, throw it away after this.
Explode!
Okay, you're good.
Okay,
Throw it
guys.
away.
So that was the Gatorade explosion video. Wasn't that great, but you know what? We did what we could. So
Yeah.
this is Gavin and Dylan ending out the video. Peace.